You have me, Judge?
There you are, bud.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning to you.
I got two and I got the third one on the way, sir.
All right, sir.
Step forward, one of you.
And your name?
Charles Parks.
All right, hang on a minute, Mr. Parks. I'm getting your paperwork up here.
Yes, sir.
Charles Parks.
Don't leave your case. This is not a
Charles, I'm Harris Blanchett. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in San Antonio County.
Yes, sir.
And my job this morning is to tell you why you're in jail.
Yes, sir.
Read your rights and see if we can get you out of jail.
Yes, sir.
You're charged with the offense of possession of marijuana, Class B misdemeanor. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand the charge, possession of marijuana?
No, sir. I know I got caught with some weed, but I don't.
Well, that's what it means. I'm not asking if you did it.
Welcome back to the courtroom, folks. Today's docket is one of those roller coaster mornings in Cy County. 3 defendants, 3 very different attitudes, and 1 judge trying to keep order while balancing justice, mercy, and the law. First up, we've got a young man facing a marijuana charge, hoping for a personal bond. Sounds simple, right? But pay close attention. This judge knows his family, knows his dad, and that personal connection could mean the difference between walking out today or staying behind bars. Then comes a second defendant, Joshua, who's facing not 1, not 2, but 3 felony charges, including organized criminal activity, a charge that can carry life in prison. And to top it all off, we end with Elizabeth Lewis, who brings a whole new level of courtroom drama by going full Fifth Amendment mode, refusing to answer, refusing to cooperate, and flat out challenging the process. It's calm, chaos, and confrontation, all in one session. Stick with us, because you're about to see how different strategies and attitudes play out in real time. And by the end, I guarantee you'll be asking yourself, which of these defendants played it smart, and which sealed their own fate?
If you did it, I just want to make sure you understand that you're charged with possession of marijuana.
Yes,
They're
sir.
saying the weed you had was marijuana.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have an attorney present prior to or during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state of Texas. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You need a court-appointed attorney, or you're going to get your own?
I'm not sure yet.
Well, I tell you what, let's put you down for getting a court-appointed attorney, and if you change your mind, you can just come back and let us know. How's that sound?
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
All right. And are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently on a bond for any charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second. What I'm going to do is, you live here in the county,
Yes, sir.
and I know your dad pretty well, and I'm pretty sure I've met you. So I'm going to give you a personal bond, PR bond, to get out.
Yes, sir.
Don't cost
Appreciate
you any money. So listen to me carefully, all right?
Yes, sir.
The bond is going to be not going to cost you anything unless you don't show up for court.
Yes, sir.
This is going to be filed in the county court. The county court will send you a notice of when to come to court.
Yes,
If you
sir.
fail to show up for court, you're going to owe them $1,000.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
You have a phone?
Phone number?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hang on just a second. Let me get this down. All right? I wish I got along better with computers. All right. Do you have any questions I can answer for you?
No, sir.
All right. I'll be sending the paperwork over there. You sign that personal bond, and then you can call your dad or somebody to come get you.
All righty. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please
Thank
step
you.
over here. Just walk. Remain on the wall, okay? Come on, Melissa.
Hang on just a second.
Yes, sir.
It's Joshua Mullinex.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Joshua?
Not too well, man. Not too well upset in my feelings.
Well, this is, I'm Judge Blanchett. I think you remember me.
Yes, sir. I sure do, Judge Blanchett. I remember you well.
Well, what I'm going to do is tell you what you're charged with, read your rights and set your bond,
Yes, sir.
and then let's see what we can do. But, you got some pretty serious charges this time.
Yeah, for something I didn't even really do, man.
Well,
That's why I want to talk to I want to talk to the detective about it, but it's not gonna happen, man.
you'll get an opportunity to talk to the detectives and talk and visit with them and see what you want to do, because you have 3 felony charges against you, and they got your little brother Johnny last night too on the same thing.
Yeah, for something we didn't do, man.
Well, but there's a video of all y'all doing it.
Yeah, I know there's a video of all of us doing it because it was for the family, fool. It was for my family, honestly, Judge Blanchett. We've been going through some things, man. It was to try to feed my family, fool. I'm not even gonna hide it from y'all.
Okay, well, Joshua, let's get this. Let me tell you what you charged with. You read your rights and then set your bonds, okay?
All right.
The first charge is engaging in organized criminal activity. That's a felony in the first degree. You can get life in prison for that. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have an attorney present to advise you prior to or during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. You have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time, and the right to an examining trial. Now, these rights apply to all of your charges, since all of your charges are felonies. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You need a court-appointed attorney?
I already have a court-appointed attorney. I'm out on bond currently.
You already have a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir. I know.
What case has he been appointed for?
Sir?
For what case has he been appointed for?
I've been appointed for my assault on a police officer and the other ones.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir, only right here in San Jacinto.
Okay. Well, are you on bond here in San Jacinto County?
Yes, sir, I sure am.
For what?
I'm on bond for assault and assault on a public offense and assault.
Is it a felony charge?
I only have 1 felony charge now. Yes, sir.
Is that the pending charge? Is that felony?
Yes, sir. It's pending. I'm taking it. I was gonna take it to trial on the October 1st, but then I ended up in here.
Okay, well, if you are out on bond for a felony in this county, and you have committed more felonies in this county, I cannot set your bond. Your bond will have to be set by the judge that you're out on court for. What court is that, the 411th or the 258th, or do you know?
I really don't know, honestly.
You don't know which judge it is, Judge Wells or Judge Kitchens?
Kitchens.
Judge Kitchens, that's the 258 District Court. He'll have to set your bond in these 3 charges. I can't set them, since you're already out on bond. So, all right? Yeah, I don't know how long before Judge Kitchens will set your bonds or what he will set them at.
Now here's where the legal gears grind to a halt. Joshua clearly doesn't understand why the judge won't give him a bond. But the explanation is actually pretty straightforward. Under Texas law, if you're already out on bond for a felony and then rack up new felony charges in the same county, only the original judge handling your pending case can set your new bond. That's the safeguard against what's called bond stacking, essentially preventing someone from hopping in and out of jail while stacking up serious charges. Joshua tries to argue that his old felony is headed for trial and about to be dropped, but that doesn't matter today. He's stuck waiting on Judge Kitchens, and that could mean sitting in jail for weeks before even getting a chance to argue bond. So here's a question for you. Do you think this law is fair? keeping repeat defendants locked in until their original judge weighs in, or is it unfairly harsh, especially when someone hasn't been convicted yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
The law says that if you're on bond in a county, in this county, for a felony, and you commit more felonies, then that judge has to set your bond. I cannot.
But I got a question. My felony is finna be dropped with my charge because I'm taking it to trial. Why can't I get another bond out? I'm literally taking that to trial. It's finna be dropped.
But you're currently on a bond for it.
Yeah, I'm currently out on bond for it, but I'm taking it to trial.
Listen to me carefully, Joshua. If you're out on bond in San Jacinto County, and you are arrested for more felonies in San Jacinto County, then that judge whose your case is in court of, he has to be the one to set your bonds. I'm not allowed to.
You understand?
So that's it.
All right, come on.
Thank you. Hang on just a second. All right, and you must be Elizabeth Lewis, am I correct?
Yes.
All right, let me get your paperwork up, Miss Lewis. All right, Miss Lewis, I'm Harris Blanchett. I'm the Justice Peace here in San Jacinto County. I need you to know that you are charged with the offense of possession of marijuana. Do you understand that charge?
Huh? I ain't got no marijuana on me.
I didn't say you had it. I said it's what you're charged with.
No, bullshit. I'm taking fifth on everything. I ain't talking no more. Bye. Good, bye. No.
Miss Lewis?
I'm taking fifth.
Miss Lewis, are you
Fifth.
listening? Are you
Fifth.
listening to me?
Fifth. I ain't listening to nothing. I'm taking fifth on everything. I ain't signing nothing. I ain't talking nothing. I'm done. Get my attorney.
Miss Lewis, you have the
How would I be
right.
here when it was a probation violation? No way. I'm done. Fifth Amendment. I know the law. I love the law.
You have the right to hire an attorney to
Fifth Amendment.
represent you.
Fifth
You have the
Amendment.
right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorney that represents the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop any questioning at any time. I'm going to put down here that you need the court-appointed attorney because, and you are a citizen of the United States.
Yes.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No.
All right.
I don't know what's going on. That's my problem. I don't know what the hell they're doing.
Setting your bond in this case at $2,000.
Wow.
There's also
That's
a
crazy.
warrant for your arrest
Yeah, Polk County, I guess.
or a motion to revoke your
Yeah, I'm out
probation.
here. I'm taking a fifth. I want my attorney. I ain't doing nothing. I don't care what it takes to give me out. I don't give a fuck. I just want an attorney. 'Cause I'm
I've already read the same rights. And so that judge has set your bond at a $2,000 cash bond.
I don't give a shit. Give me a fifth. I don't care. Send me back to my cell.
Bye. I don't have anything else I
What a
can do.
lineup. Let's break this down. First, Charles Parks, the marijuana defendant, gets a personal recognizance bond, basically a free pass as long as he shows up to court. That's the power of local connections and a clean record. The judge knew his family and gave him a shot. Next, Joshua, facing organized crime charges, finds himself trapped by the legal system's rules. No bond from this judge, because the law says repeat felony defendants must go back to their original judge for bond decisions. Finally, Elizabeth Lewis. What a performance. She invoked the fifth, refused to cooperate, and left the courtroom fuming after being hit with a $2,000 bond plus a probation revocation. 3 very different defendants, 3 very different outcomes, all reminding us that in court, your attitude, your record, and your timing can change everything. So what do you think? Did the judge handle these cases fairly, or do you think someone here deserved a different outcome? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.